This dance is called Dum Di Dum. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, easy improver level line dance with 1 tag. Starting on the right foot, tap the right beside the left, kick the right forward. Into a coaster step, right foot leading, back close step. Step forward on the left, pivot a quarter turn to the right, cross shuffle, left over right, cross side cross. That set of steps once more then, tap kick off on the right. 7, 8, tap, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Into a half figure of 8. So you step the right to the side, cross left behind the right, make a quarter turn right, you step forward on that right. Step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right, further quarter turn right, step in the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, then quarter turn left at the end, step in that left forward. That set of steps once more then, half figure of 8. Off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, turn. Now you are actually doing the equivalent of a full turn in that half figure of 8. If you want to try and take that out, your non-turning steps would be vine to the right, side, behind, side. So you're doing the same steps as everybody else, but you're just not turning at the end. Instead of doing the step pivot, cross rock, left over right, recover, and then vine to the left, side, behind, quarter turn on the end. Non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that full turn out of that half figure of 8. So let's add those two sections together. Tap, kick off on the right. 7, 8, tap, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, turn. Chassé to the right, but you're going to put a quarter turn left on to start with. So make that quarter turn left, you step the right to the side, left beside right, right to the side. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, couple of side touches, step left to the side, touch right beside left, right to the side, touch left beside right. That set of steps once more then. Into that turning chassé. 7, 8. Turn chassé, back, rock, side, touch, touch. Let's add that to the top. Tap, kick off on the right. 7, 8. Tap, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, turn, turn chassé, back, rock, side, touch, touch. Kick, ball, cross off on the left, kick, ball, cross, rock to the side on the left, recover your weight back on the right. Into a sailor, half a turn. So we're going to make that half a turn as we cross the left behind the right, right to the side, left to the side. Sailor half turn. Then rock to the side on the right and recover your weight on the left. Now on this final side rock, choreographer is actually saying lean to the right at the same time as rocking. End of the dance when we get to that point. So that set of steps once more then, kick, ball, cross off on the left. 7, 8, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, sailor, half, side, rock. Let's put it all together. Tap, kick off on the right. 7, 8, tap, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, turn, turn, chasse, back, rock, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, sailor, half, side, rock. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the cats. Tap, kick off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So hopefully you can see exactly where all those other cats are. Not many of them, just a few. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Tap, kick, off on the right. 7, 8. Tap, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, turn, turn, chasse, back, rock, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, sailor, half, side, rock, tap, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, turn, turn, chasse, back, rock, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, sailor, half, side, rock, tap, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, turn, turn, chasse, back, rock, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, sailor, half, side, rock. So that's your dance. Now there is one little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 9. Wall 9 will be your front wall, so you'll actually be facing 3 o'clock when you come to do the tag. You'll tag quite simply. It's weave with a point, weave with a point. So you'll start off on the right foot, you will have just done your side rock, recover, you go into a weave, so you cross the right behind the left, left to the side, cross the right over, point the left to the side. Repeat with the left. So cross the left behind the right, right to the side, left over right, point the right to the side. Single count timing throughout. So that set of steps once more then. Weaving to the left, off on the right. 7, 8. Behind, side, cross, point, behind, side, cross, point. Then you start the dance again. So let's take you through wall 9. Add on the tag and restart the dance. Tap, kick, off on the right. 7, 8. Tap, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, turn, turn, chasse, back, rock, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, sailor, half, side, rock, tag, behind, side, cross, point, behind, side, cross, point, restart, tap, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, shuffle. So hopefully you can see where that tag fits in. End of wall 9. So that's it. That is your dance, that is your walkthrough and your tag information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8, tap, kick, coaster, step, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, behind, turn, turn, chasse, back rock, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor half, side rock, tap, kick, coaster step, pivot, cross shuffle, side behind, turn step, pivot, turn behind, turn chasse, back rock, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor half, side rock, tap, kick, coaster step, pivot, cross shuffle, side behind, turn step, pivot, turn behind, turn chasse, back rock, side touch, kick, side rock, sailor half, side rock, tap, kick, coaster step, pivot, cross shuffle, side behind, turn step, pivot, turn behind, turn chasse, back rock, side touch, kick ball cross, side rock, sailor turn, side stop, tap, kick, figure of eight, chasse, kick ball, tap, kick, figure eight, chasse, kick ball, tap, kick, figure eight, chasse, kick ball, tap, kick, figure eight, chasse, kick ball, time roll,
I'm ready to make a move, but the words that I say don't make sense anywhere. I just can't get it right. You're so damn
tap,
fine.
behind side cross point, behind side cross point, tap, kick, hope you managed that one.